Hi everyone, Gabby here. In this video, I'll be introducing you to Communication Workflows, the new home of Guesty's automated messages feature. Communication workflows make it easier than ever to organize and manage your automated message templates. Now, templates are displayed on a timeline, allowing you to visualize the journey that guests will experience from the beginning to the end of their reservation lifecycle. Different workflows can be created for different types of reservations, helping you ensure that all scenarios are covered and that messages will be sent to the right people at the right time. Now, instead of going into each specific property to manage your automated message templates, the setup is done via one centralized place, which is the new Automations tab in the top menu. Once inside, you'll see that Guesty has seamlessly converted your existing automated message templates to a series of workflows based on the rules that were already set up. This means that no further action needs to be taken on your end, and you can relax, knowing that your current automation setup remains in place. Thanks to the timeline, you can see an overview of each communication flow and use this opportunity to improve your setup. For example, ensure that guests that are staying for short periods of time do not receive too many messages, and those that are staying longer are communicated with regularly. Whether or not a workflow will be triggered depends on these 4 conditions that you can define: how far in advance a guest books a reservation, the length of the stay, the property booked by the guest, and the booking channel from which the reservation originates. The existing automated messages functionality that you're used to remains exactly the same, and the templates are created and managed within the timeline. You can still set other conditions on each individual automated message template too, giving you extra control, such as only sending certain messages if a reservation has been fully paid or the reservation's number of guests. And we're not stopping there. Communication workflows is just the beginning. Workflows also pave the way for future enhancements to guests' automation features, with our long-term plan being to introduce other types of automations to the timeline too. We hope this video has helped you understand the new Communication Workflows feature, and we look forward to seeing how these enhancements will help make running your property management company even easier. If you have any questions or need any assistance with the transition, we're here, of course, for anything you may need. Thanks for watching!